Hi, I'm Young. So today I came sort of empty-handed because the product that I want to introduce is super simple. But can you guys see the swans behind me? They're absolutely gorgeous out in the open ocean. In fact, they actually came from all the way in the far east of Russia, and they came here for winter time because it's a lot warmer here, but it is actually freezing for me. Today I came free and light, and the product that I want to introduce you to guys is in my pocket. Just here. Meet the world's tiniest mobile phone gimbal, PowerVision S1. So the PowerVision S1, the size is smaller than my own mobile phone side by side, but it is a powerful device. So to get prepared, open here, turn this way, and then just unlock this direction, and also unlock the final place. And here you have 3-axis gimbal. Here, here, and also finally here. So inside the package it comes with a magnetic phone clamp, which is perfect for my Samsung S10 Plus. A magnet at the clamp is very strong, so you just need to get the direction right because there is a little dent. And yeah, here we go. By the way, the stickers here can all be taken off. And with PowerVision S1, there are 5 things that I really want to highlight that I found it pretty amazing. First, I realized I forgot the pom-pom, so let me just get that ready. But before we did that, I'm just gonna let this stand, and it's really amazing how convenient, how so many features are packed in this little tiny mini gimbal, because there is, you see, a tripod already built in this little rectangle. And also you can get the PowerVision S1 tripod, and there is a universal mount tool here where you can actually stick it for even more sturdier surface. You can securely fasten here and you can push it down, and you have a really stable tripod which can be extended quite far. So once you have it securely on this tripod setup, you might wonder, why would you want to do it like this? Well, many reasons, but one thing that I really want to highlight is the TikTok. So if you press this button twice, then it will go into the portrait mode. And what's amazing about the PowerVision S1 app, and let's get in first. So once I have these power follow, that means I can actually go into some other app. I'm just going to demonstrate by showing you guys inside a video the built-in camera app of Samsung. Basically the mobile phone will follow me while I'm actually using other app. So first I need to lock it in by actually showing the palm, and then it beeped once, and then now it will start following me. Yes, you got me, you're following me, all right. Yeah, but you just need to take it a little bit slow. Don't go crazy running around, and it will follow me very smoothly as if I have a cameraman behind me. The next feature that really amazed me, but first let me just double click here. Super convenient navigation. The control center here in the body, really convenient. But the next feature that I really like is the battery power. So nowadays a lot of mobile phone gimbal, they do come with very strong battery. But this super tiny mini tripod of PowerVision S1, it does last up to 15 hours, 15 hours. You probably don't need 15 hours of operating time. What you need is this to act as an external battery. But you might say, Young, there are many other mobile phone gimbals that actually provide the external battery feature, but this one, it can go wireless. So you might have wondered, why is the logo so prominent? It's not just pleasing to the eyes, but it actually charges your mobile phone. And I think recently many of the mobile phones actually come with wireless charging feature. So I've been actually even having this PowerVision S1 on my desk and use it as an external power charger wireless. Following the recent trend, PowerVision S1 is magnetic, and PowerVision offers 3 ways for you to mount your phone. First is a magnetic phone case, available for some of the most popular phone models, and they also offer magnetic universal phone mount, and you can pull this and use it as a phone stand as well. For me, I'm using the magnetic phone clamp, and it's super convenient when everything is magnetic. I mean, it can literally get stuck into any of the magnetic surface, but if you want to make it really strong, you can use one of the 2 magnets that they provide, which does come with a 3M sticker. Then voila, very powerful indeed. Now I can take it off. The package comes with a magnetic car mount and it's so convenient. You can either use the 3M sticker to stick it onto the surface of the car, but of course many of us probably don't want to do that. In that case, the design is perfect because once you unscrew it, then you do have this rubbery part which can go into the aircon compartment, and the head moves around. It's super convenient to use it as a GPS in your car. And the final feature I can't wait to show you guys is what the app can do. So right now I'm inside the app and we can actually activate the gesture mode because it's a lot more fun that way. So I'm gonna activate the gesture mode and I'm already inside a video. So what I'm gonna do is show my palm and then it will start tracking me right away, and I'm already more than an arm's length away from my mobile phone. So do this, tracking me, and I can move around and it is tracking me absolutely smoothly and actually very reactive as well. And if I do cheese, then it will take a picture. And if I do L sign, and I'm not sure why L but it just works. The video will start recording, and if I give you another L sign, then it will stop recording. So tracking again, and I'm gonna actually go a little far away to see how much it can track me. Okay, so even from far away, I'm just gonna move around like this. It's very reactive, and I'm already, I don't know, about 4 meters away from the mobile phone. How about this? Can I go really far? Can I go really far? And let me also try the beauty mode. So just press, and does my skin tone look a lot more beautiful? It looks like I went back like 10 years in age. The skin looks absolutely beautiful, looks almost like baby skin. So I'm just gonna keep the baby face on. And if you press the 3 dots here, then you get a lot more menu. So you can change the follow mode into tilt lock and FPV. And you can adjust the sports mode, which will be a lot more reactive, and also the different speeds in how the gimbals react. And if you want to be more cinematic, change the parameters of the video, the lighting and so on, you can change the auto into the manual mode. You can also go into the time-lapse mode, perfect for busy traffic, perfect for clouds. But today the sky is absolutely blue. And as with gimbal, you can have the panorama mode. Let me try the clone. That was an I love you message. Wow, I must say that was the best clone effect that I've demonstrated with any mobile gimbals out there. I am impressed. Just 3 times clone, perfect. You guys enjoyed the features from PowerVision S1, which we have not seen in any other mobile phone gimbals out there. And it is super mini, and I really like how it is so compact in this rectangular shape. For me, the fact that it can charge the phone wirelessly without the wire, and it's so convenient. It's convenient for my earbuds, my mobile phone, and I can even use it on my desk because the power socket is at random places in my room. So it is definitely a keeper in my bag. I don't need to carry additional external battery in that case. And if you want more information on PowerVision S1, and thank PowerVision for sponsoring this video as well, then do make sure to click the link down below for more information. And I'll come back with other interesting videos on new, different technologies. So please make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, and see you!